Hey guys, so one of the things that 31 offers is what we call PS sets. So Pink Sky is what they came up with for that. So they're what they call curated sets of really great items that instead of using the customer special on just one item, you can use it on all of the items in the set. So it's pretty cool. So let me just show you what sets are available right now. So I'm going to take you to my website that you would see if you hit that shopping link. And then either up here, you can find your summer sale, or down here in sale, you can find your summer sale, by the way. But then if you hit shop, there is PS curated style picks. So you can use them for either just inspiration, like these bundles are actually like retail price bundles of many items. And if you like that bundle, you can get that bunch of things and then use the half off customer special within that bundle. So for example, it's going to work on this bundle, the Vacay Vistas set. So regular price, it's $150. But if you spend 50 over here, you can get it for, what's 150 divided by 2? 75. All of those items go half off. But let's say you look at that set and you're like, I just like that. So let's see. This has a festival backpack, a deluxe utility tote, and Vista Stripe, and an essential storage tote. So actually, the festival backpack, I'm pretty sure, is a $50 item, which then you would get the next highest priced item half off. The essential storage, no, the deluxe utility tote is 50, so you would get that for 25. And so you'd be cutting down the price on those things. So you can either use the curated sets as inspiration, or you can get them half off. So let's just take a look at what we got here. So this is a cute set right here. Go back to the other sets. So if you spend 50 on something else, any set that's 100 or more, you can get that for 50% off. And so like if you like the items in a set that's 100, if you spend 50 over here and then get it for half off, you're getting all of those items for $100. So that's like, whoa. So Creation Station set. I'm actually getting myself one of these deluxe double duty caddies because I just got into planning with stickers and all of that other fun stuff. So I need the deluxe double duty to like carry all of that. And then these items are add-ons in the Get Creative line, the Get Creative Slim pouch, and the Rectangle pouch. So your PS sets come already personalized, and sorry, there's a fly. The personalization's factored into that price. Never Stop Dreaming is cute. Let's see what else. We looked at, I hit the wrong button. Curated style picks. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. The Adventure Backpack is an $88 item. So they threw in the mini zipper pouch, which is a $12 item, and some personalization in there. But like, okay, 88 is pretty high. Now this is a 108 set. But if I spend 50 on something over here, like a deluxe large utility tote or something, I can get that for that whole set, personalization and all, backpack and mini pouch all together for 54 instead of spending 88. So if one of the items that you've got your eye on is in any of these, there's ways to save money on them. I love my Adventure Backpack. I use it as a work bag. It can work as a baby bag, but it doesn't look like one. So I use it for work, and it has that like Mary Poppins top. It's really cool. So one of the cool new items that a lot of people are into is the New Horizons tote. It's really big. This giant hat makes it look kind of small, but it's huge. It would fit like 6 towels rolled up. There's the New Horizons with a Benjamin and the wristlet strap going with it, and the petite poof. Add that all up, spend 50 here, get this set for 62. Amazing. So actually like 90% of the time when people get a PS set, they actually are getting it for the half off price by using the customer special. Oh my gosh, I love the small utility tote. Now, there's a couple things to say about this set. So the regular price $30. So, you know, 30, 60, 90, 120. Okay. And actually they threw in the personalization here because if you get 2 small utility totes, you can get a discount. So let me show you that actually. When you hit shop, it just kind of pops up, or at least it better. Oh, Chambers, it's not doing it. What if I type in small utility totes? Oh, there it is, two small utility totes. There they are. Okay, so 2 small utility totes. You get $10 off, and then they're on sale for $25 each if you're going to get 2. So you could get 4 of them for $100 instead of $120. Except if you want to get them all half off, then you get 4 in the PS set. However, in the PS set, they're already going to be the Denim Distressed and the Vista Stripe. But if you get the 2 set for yourself, let's see, you click down here. Oh, I want an elephant and an elephant. I want 2 elephants. And then I add it to my cart. Now, when you add it to your cart, it's going to show the original one. So that might be confusing to some people. But when you hit show details in your cart, it'll show you, okay, you did pick the elephants and you're not crazy. All right. I like to show people, you know, the nuances of the website. Sometimes it's a little confusing. So by the way, this video is going to take more than 5 minutes. Okay. So the Seeing double set, we got Chestnut Distressed and Sweet Blossom Pebble Mini Rubies with wide wristless straps, which we call the guitar straps. And that's new. So the rubies are 25 a piece. Sorry, my legs. And then those are 10 a piece. So there you go. That's the regular price. And if you spend 50 over here, you can get that 70 for 35. Woo! Where if you get 1 ruby for 25 and the wristless strap for 10, you're spending 35. So, but you know, you do have to spend the 50, and some people are like, but I only want to spend 50. Well, hey, you know what? Share with a friend though, or combine your orders with somebody else, and then you grab the customer special. So if you know that your mom only wants one thing, combine her order with yours, and you can deliver it to her when it gets to your house. You grab that customer special, you grab one of those PS sets for yourself. Okay, back to the sets. There's so many great things. All right, next is the Barbecue Season set and Denim Distressed. Well, okay, Denim Distressed on that picnic thermal tote, and it's personalized grillin' and chillin'. And it also has a double duty caddy, because the double duty caddy is awesome for everything. For a baby shower gift, for carrying around your baby stuff, for your craft stuff, for your homeschool stuff, for your condiments and other things to take out to the picnic table. I use it as my reading thing, to keep all my snacks and my cough drops and my tissues away from the dog who wants to grab everything, so I love it. And then a small utility tote, which is the best. And that I love the small utility tote for everything. So carrying stuff between home and school, awkward large and small items. I'm a science teacher, so there's usually something going back and forth. Or grocery store, so perfect because it's strong and it's not too big, because I can't pack things too big because then I can't lift them. So, I don't want to use the large utility tote for my groceries unless I know I'm getting I don't know, a ton of toilet paper or something. Which I didn't, by the way. I got my toilet paper in regular, normal, reasonable amounts over the quarantine. Okay, work from home set. So we've got a deluxe double duty caddy and a double duty caddy. Ooh, and they all match. A littles carry-all caddy, and that one has the little art personalization on it that says "Make it happen." And there's a slim pouch. and then the cylinder pouch and the rectangle pouch, all in that set. So if you like those things, by the way, Get Creative down here, like if you just type Get Creative in the search, you're gonna get a lot of really useful items in our Get Creative line. I love them. I used to have a lot of different creative hobbies, and I kind of gave them up, and now all of a sudden this planner babe thing like popped up, and I'm like definitely newly obsessed with that. Okay, high tide set. I love Indigo Burst. It's really like kind of a tie-dye looking thing. So it's got your small utility, your large utility tote that everybody loves and needs at least 3 in their house. You know, I use one as a trunk organizer or recycling organizer, and then there's just one that's like for, you know, whenever it's time to carry giant big things. And then this is the around the clock thermal. It says adventures on the horizon. But remember, if you don't like that personalization, you know, then okay, well, you don't get that set, but like you can get that item and whatever large utility tote you want. So the round the clock is 30. Oh gosh, I think that is a 35 item, and so is the large utility tote. But then, you know, get those and then get some other PS set half off, and you know, get those in the colors and prints and personalizations that you want. You don't have to stick with that necessarily, but so that's using it for inspiration. You know, if you're like, I like that combo, but I don't want those colors, you used it as inspiration. Okay, the round utility tote is so cute. It's like the half moon shape. You're going to start seeing it everywhere. I did once you notice, it's everywhere. So this $100 set has a round utility tote and tip top chevron. I love it. You can also color that, and it looks really cute when you like accent here and there. And then matching tip top chevron mini zipper pouch. Then you've got a zipper pouch hidden in there, if you don't notice that right there, in Flights of Fancy. And then also in Flights of Fancy, you've got your small utility tote. Look how they match those flip flops to that. I love birds a lot, like crazy bird lady. Like I can tell them by sound, and if I don't know a bird and I keep hearing it, I have like an app that you can like be like, what bird is that? It's like SoundHound except for birds. It's called Bird Sleuth. Oh, there's a life hack right there. I just identified, after like wondering for a really long time, I just identified a veery. They make the best noise. It's so crazy and weird. Well, they make like 4 different noises, but one of them is like blue, 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 and it sounds like a video game. It's really insane. I'm talking fast because I love doing this, and I will do this for like an hour, but I'm trying not to do it for an hour. Okay, next one, Explore It All in Charcoal Crosshatch set. Oh my gosh, one of my favorites. Okay, so it's not super feminine, but this backpack thing right here, the slingback backpack, they have it sort of dressed up for a dude, but I actually use that as like my sort of everyday grocery store type purse, because the hand's free, but I don't like really crossbody crossing between my boobs and bouncing off of my hip. I like it on my back. Then it's like, you know, I really am hands free. So I want them to come up with some like, you know, maybe a faux leather one of these, or like maybe a little more feminine looking than the ones I got. Because it can be like a sort of like quick trip baby bag too. So it's kind of got like either, I don't know, in my opinion, like either too plain or too cutesy, and I like something like in the middle. So when they come up with that, bam, that's going to be like my next 31 purchase. Oh, so put that together with there's an essential money clip hidden in there, right there, and you can get that personalized. So that's a really great dude gift. If you're looking to add something on half off and put in your gift pile. I have a couple different gift piles because, you know, you can't all of a sudden the week before a birthday or something be like, oh shoot, birthday. I got to be ready for that stuff. And then you got your large utility tote and camo crosshatch. My husband is like, some camo is fruity camo. This one I don't think would be fruity camo. Maybe, I don't know. Some camo is like too kid-like, so it doesn't like appeal. All camo doesn't appeal to all men. Isn't that crazy? Okay, and then this one is super stylish. The main stage set. So our market line is new. We've had some statement canvas totes, but then these market ones have like these faux leather straps on them. So this one just already has it personalized. Summer to-do list, live in the moment, have an adventure, soak up the sun. You can put whatever you want on a market tote, and there's like a whole like 2 or 3 pages worth of like personalizations that only go on the market tote. Okay, so the market line, there's the market tote, market crossbody, and market pouch. So like pages, like, yep, 53, 4, and 5. Most of these prints that print on canvas, you can get them on like maybe just a pillow, maybe just that, but like they all go on the market crossbody, and like this heart here, because I love heart designs. I love it. That's only on the market line. And there's a bunch of them that are only on the market line, like these guys too. These summery tropical prints, they're only on the market line. Like, oh man, I wish you could get them on everything. So this bundle has your market tote, the Light Traveler card wallet, and the Half Moon crossbody, which is really cute. It's a little bigger than you might think. I don't know, you can't really tell. I guess when you put the jacket next to it, you can sort of tell, okay, that is kind of a medium purse. It's a small medium purse because it's flat. And then that Light Traveler card wallet is a really neat item. It doesn't really show it there. I will show you here. So, Light Traveler card wallet. So this is perfect if you are, I don't know, doing something like going to a concert where you really don't want to have your purse, but you need your stuff. So on one side it has some card slots, but then it also has a zipper, and I don't know if any of these show it open. If they don't, well, you can open it up, and it's a small opening, so like you can have a little bit of money in there. So you've got your cards on the outside. This is Terrazzo Pebble, by the way. It's super on trend. Cards on the outside, so your ID and your credit card, a little money on the inside, and then you can probably well, it's small enough in your pocket to fit also chapstick. Like, you cannot live without chapstick. Oh, the phone's ringing. I gotta pause this. That's the husband. Oh dear. Actually, we're done, so I'm just gonna stop this video. I love you guys.